Have you ever wondered if you could configure a support time quota or contract for a customer in Jira Service Management? Wouldn't it be interesting to expose the support contract metrics directly in the customer portal to bring transparency to your customers? Enter Support Time Contract Management for Jira Service Management. Let's check out the app. First up, click on the app icon, which is present in the Jira menu bar. To create a new support time contract, we first select the customer organization. In our case, it's Acme. We then specify the monthly hours and set the start and end dates. Let us also turn on the visibility of the metric on the portal page. This will enable all the customers in this organization to get a complete overview of consumed hours at an organization level on the portal page. Hit Create to start tracking the contracts. The app dashboard displays the status of every contract. The contract can also be edited or deleted if required. Agents can log their efforts every time they work on an incident or request using the Jira time tracking field. The total hours logged against the various requests tagged to an organization and the progress of the contract can be tracked on the app dashboard. The logged hours for the contract can also be made available in the customer portal to bring transparency to your customers. In summary, the app helps you configure your support time quota contract for your organization right in JSM. Expose support contract metrics directly in the customer portal, bringing transparency to your customers. Try out the app for free on the Atlassian marketplace.